Welcome to this gentle morning practice. This practice is suitable for absolutely everyone and is a great way to start the day. So coming into a seated position, whichever way is comfortable for you. We're going to close down the eyes if you feel safe to do so, and take a few big deep breaths. These breaths are going to ground you into your practice this morning. They're going to allow you just to clear out any stagnant energy in the lungs from the evening sleep. And really allow you to come into the body and out of the mind. Allowing yourself to let go of all of the thoughts of what you need to do today. Really coming into the body to start your day in the body. Take one more big deep breath, make it as big and deep and long as possible. And then when you're ready, open your eyes. So we're going to start the practice with some neck rolls, so nice and gentle. We're going to tuck the chin towards the chest and take the chin out to the left side, up to the sky or the ceiling, over to the right side, and then all the way back down into the chest. You want to try to sit up as tall as possible. And the invitation here is to move at whichever pace feels good for you, knowing there is no right or wrong when you practice with us. Really allowing yourself this beautiful space and time to be with the body. Taking one more in this direction. And then gently change directions. Allowing yourself to really feel into the body. Allowing yourself to notice any stiffness. And allow yourself to be with the stiffness and also enter the stiffness with love. So really attending to that stiffness rather than judging it, being annoyed with it. Take one more and arrive back into the center here. And then from here we're going to breathe nice and deep, and we're going to lift up the head, sit tall and just tilt the head back slightly. Exhale here. Relax the shoulders. And now there is an invitation to move freely. So moving through the spine or head, the neck. You may want to take some movements through the neck. Just allow yourself a moment to explore. Allow yourself to really feel into the body in a gentle and loving way. And then gently come into stillness. We're going to take our legs out long, take a shake off of the legs. And then bringing the hands behind us, we're going to bend the knees, place the feet into the ground, take the knees and the feet out wide, and then move left to right with the knees. We have just been joined by a very cute puppy. Can we sit in the middle so I can still move left to right? So we're moving left to right, allowing ourselves to enter into the hips. And reminding yourself to move at a gentle pace. So allowing yourself to be gentle. And take one more movement. And then come back into the center. And come back into your seated position. From here, we're going to take the left hand down to the side of the mat. Take a big reach up with the right arm and lean over to the left side. And then now change sides. And move in and out of left and right side at your own pace. Being very gentle and loving with yourself. Really allowing yourself to enter the pockets into the side body. And taking any free movement if it feels good to do so. Taking one more on each side. And then coming back into the center. From here, we're going to come on to our fours. And just give the feet a little tap out. And then there is an invitation now to take big circles through the hips. We have been joined by a second puppy. And really allow yourself some big movement. So working into the knees, the arms, the shoulders. Allowing yourself to continue to be gentle. Continue to be gentle with your movements. And change direction. Take circles in the other direction. Entering any pockets that feel stiff. Giving yourself some time there. And then come into the center. We're going to bring the right leg forward and bring the left knee back. And then from here, plant the left hand down to the mat and reach the right hand up to the sky or the ceiling. Invite now some big circle movements through your arms here, allowing some space to be entered into your shoulder. And then allow that arm to come into stillness and rise up through the torso. Hands come to the hips. And we're just going to take a little drop down of the hips, tuck the pelvis under and just roll the shoulders back. And just take a moment to gaze up, being gentle with yourself. It's very ironic that we're doing gentle yoga and the puppies are having their mad half an hour. And then slowly bring the hands back down to the mat. We're going to step that right leg back and bring the left leg forward. And then right hand comes down to the ground, reach that left arm up. And again here, invite some big circles for your arms. So allowing us to bring in some awareness to our back, our shoulders, with a gentle, loving approach. Take one more, and then arrive back into the center. Just take a moment to pause here. And let this be your reminder that throughout the day, it is really good to pause. Not always feel that we have to do one thing and move on to the next. And then when you're ready, slowly lift up through the torso. Hands come to the hips. Take a tilt of the head. Lift up the shoulders, pull them away from the ears, and breathe. Nice, big, loving, gentle breaths. And then slowly bring the hands back down to the mat. We're going to step that left leg back and come into a wide-legged child's pose. Push the hips back towards the heels. And then keeping the hands grounded, we're going to lower all the way forward. So bringing the weight forward, drop the hips slightly, and then move back. Coming forward and back. Take two more. Last one. Just arrive here in child's pose, take a moment to breathe. Maybe there is an invitation here to bring awareness to how we can move a little more gentle through the day. Maybe you already know how aware that's going to show up. And then when you're ready, slowly come back onto the knees and bring your way to standing. Take a little jump off, a little shake. And then slowly come into stillness. We're going to take the arms out nice and wide, reach up as we breathe in. And then exhale, fold all the way down, sweep the hands down and meet them, cross them over in the center. Breathe in, reach up. And exhale, fold down. Breathe in, reach up. And exhale, fold down. Take 2 more. On this last one, stay at the top. Interlace the fingers, push the hands up towards the sky or ceiling. Take a big stretch, take a little wiggle, move the body a little. Nice. And then fold all the way down. Just take a moment to hang out here, wiggle the body a little bit. And then slowly curl up through the spine to come back up to standing. Nice, take a little jump off. Take a tap of the body. And slowly come to stillness. Hands come to heart. Just take a moment to thank yourself for showing up for this gentle morning practice. And I thank you so much for joining. I apologise about the crazy puppies. Hopefully, if anything, it's brought you a bit of joy this morning. Please subscribe to the channel. We would love to connect with you and stay connected with you. And we'll see you in the next video.